We are working on our scuffles today. So now we're kind of doing an offshoot of a shuffle. The difference is now instead of doing a brush, we do a scuff. So we use our heel to press away from our body to make the sound, and then we spank back. Again, this can be done to the front, the side, or the back, and all the same rules typically apply that we learn for our shuffles. So you want to be able to start building speed. Now when you do a scuffle, you have to be really careful not to just dig the heel. It needs to actually scuff. Otherwise, you are not doing a true scuffle. The scuff needs to be a little bit of that drag and scrape away from your body. I will see you tomorrow.